Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best mug presses. From family photos and memorable quotes to company logos and promotional designs, mug presses offer endless possibilities for expressing your unique style and spreading joy with every sip. So grab your favorite beverage and get ready to unleash your imagination with our list of mug presses. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth mug press in our list is the VEVOR Heat Press, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Let's get one thing straight. The build quality of the VEVOR Heat Press is highly regarded among users. Its solid construction and durable materials ensure long-lasting performance even under demanding and frequent usage. The machine is meticulously crafted to withstand high temperatures and deliver consistent heat distribution, guaranteeing optimal results with each heat transfer. One of its standout features is its precise temperature and time control. Users have the flexibility to adjust and set the desired parameters, catering to the specific requirements of different heat transfer projects. The digital display and user-friendly controls also make it remarkably convenient to monitor and fine-tune settings with accuracy and ease. We also appreciate that even and consistent heat distribution provided by this heat press. This crucial feature ensures that designs are transferred smoothly and uniformly onto the target surface, eliminating concerns about uneven or incomplete transfers. The machine's reliability in maintaining consistent heat distribution is highly valued by users who seek professional quality results. In terms of usability, the heat press excels in user-friendliness, even for beginners. It comes with clear instructions, making setup and operation a breeze. Plus, its compact design and manageable weight make it remarkably convenient for storage and transportation, adding to its overall appeal. What's more, it incorporates essential safety features such as an insulated handle and an automatic shutoff function. These precautions help prevent accidental burns and minimize the risk of overheating, providing users with peace of mind throughout their heat transfer projects. While the VEVOR Heat Press garners positive feedback overall, occasional reports of temperature inaccuracies or inconsistencies have surfaced. To ensure accurate heat settings, it is advisable to calibrate the machine and conduct temperature tests before embarking on critical projects. This proactive approach can help users achieve optimal results and mitigate any potential issues. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to those looking for a heat press machine that offers precise temperature control, consistent heat distribution, and exceptional durability. The fourth mug press in our list is the CREWORKS Heat Press Machine, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the ultimate heat press versatility of the 5-in-1 heat press machine. Designed to deliver professional-grade results, this machine boasts a spacious 12 by 15-inch working area, providing ample space to bring your designs to life in a wide range of flat objects, including t-shirts, bags, mouse pads, and more. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. It takes it a step further by offering additional attachments that enable you to transfer your artwork onto curved objects such as mugs, hats, plates, shoes, and countless other items. Ease of use is a key feature of this heat press. With simple steps, you'll be on your way to creating stunning designs. Just prepare your product and design, warm the blend, press it down, and let the user-friendly LCD countdown guide you to the perfect moment to lift and swing the heat press away. The thick platen equipped with a double heating element ensures faster and more even heating, guaranteeing consistent, high-quality results with every press. Taking control of your creations is made easy with its intuitive controls, boasting an impressive 1,250 watts of heating power. It can reach temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The time settings can be adjusted up to 999 seconds, offering you ample flexibility to achieve optimal heat transfer. Additionally, the platen can rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing for effortless maneuverability and access to all angles of your workpiece. However, it's worth noting that this model may require manual operation, including adjusting pressure and timing for each transfer. This aspect can be time-consuming, especially when dealing with a large number of items to process. If efficiency and convenience for high-volume production are priorities, you may want to consider automated or semi-automated heat press machines. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for anyone looking for a 5-in-1 heat press that offers unparalleled versatility and ease of use. The third mug press in our list is the PYD Life 110-volt Tumbler heat press machine, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This remarkable tool is designed to bring your Tumbler designs to life with unparalleled ease, offering a seamless experience from start to finish. Constructed with a solid construction, the heat press machine is built to withstand the demands of frequent use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. You can rely on this to accompany you on countless creative endeavors without compromising on quality. What makes it truly exceptional are its thoughtful design features. With adjustable settings and interchangeable attachments, it accommodates a wide range of tumbler sizes and styles, providing unparalleled versatility. Whether you're working with tall tumblers, short tumblers, or anything in between, this machine can adapt effortlessly to your specific requirements. Achieving optimal heat transfer is also effortless with the precise temperature and time control offered by this machine. By fine-tuning these settings, you can ensure consistent and professional-looking designs in every tumbler. No more worries about variations in heat distribution or subpar results. This machine guarantees exceptional and uniform heat transfers. What's more, it has a powerful heating element that ensures even heat distribution across the surface of the tumbler, eliminating any concerns about hot or cold spots. Your designs will adhere flawlessly, resulting in flawless and vibrant creations that'll impress even the most discerning eye. Keep in mind, though, that the PYD Life 110-volt Tumbler heat press machine is specifically designed for tumbler customization, meaning it has limited versatility compared to other heat press machines. If you're looking for a machine that can handle various types of substrates or heat transfer projects, this machine may not be the most suitable choice. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a specialized heat press machine that is specifically tailored for tumbler customization projects. The second mug press in our list is the BetterSub Mug Heat Press, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Let's start with something super important: the build quality. The BetterSub Mug Heat Press is a testament to precision and durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, it is built to last, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Its sturdy construction guarantees stability during operation, leading to consistent and reliable performance throughout numerous projects. Versatility is a key aspect of this heat press. It accommodates various mug sizes and shapes thanks to its adjustable pressure settings and interchangeable heating elements. This flexibility empowers you to personalize a wide range of mugs, from standard coffee cups to uniquely shaped tumblers. With the ability to adapt to different mug sizes, your creativity knows no bounds. Get ready for precision like never before. It offers precise temperature settings and adjustable time intervals. You have full control over fine-tuning the heat transfer process according to your materials and designs. With this level of precision, you can achieve consistent and high-quality results, creating professional-looking customized mugs that leave a lasting impression. One aspect that sets the BetterSub Mug Heat Press apart is its excellent customer support. The company is known for their responsiveness and assistance, readily addressing inquiries, troubleshooting, and any potential issues that may arise with the machine. Their dedication to customer satisfaction enhances the overall experience and adds value to your investment. However, it's important to note that the BetterSub Mug Heat Press may have a learning curve, particularly for beginners new to heat transfer techniques. Mastery of the proper settings, pressure, and temperature control for mug customization may take time and experimentation. But fear not. With patience and practice, you'll soon unlock the full potential of this powerful mug press. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a top-tier machine that delivers exceptional results in mug customization. The best mug press in our list is the Cricut Mug Press, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. With the Cricut Mug Press, you can unleash your creativity and transform plain mugs into personalized works of art that'll be cherished for years to come. This mug press is an innovative and highly anticipated addition to the Cricut family, designed specifically for heat transferring designs onto mugs. It has garnered immense popularity and positive feedback thanks to its outstanding features and performance. One of the standout features of this model is its sleek and compact design. It is thoughtfully engineered to be portable and space-saving, making it a convenient addition to any craft room or workspace. Its compact size also allows for easy storage and transportation while still providing a large enough workspace to accommodate standard-sized mugs. Operating the Cricut Mug Press is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface and straightforward setup process. With its intuitive controls and clear instructions, even beginners can quickly grasp the operation of this machine. The user-friendly design also ensures a seamless and enjoyable mug customization experience, allowing you to focus on your creative process rather than getting caught up in complex operations. We also like the precise temperature control of this machine, which enables you to achieve optimal heat transfers onto mugs. This allows you to set the desired temperature accurately, ensuring consistent and professional-looking results with each press. Plus, the machine's advanced heat technology ensures even heat distribution, eliminating any concerns about hot or cold spots on the mug. This guarantees that your designs adhere seamlessly and uniformly, resulting in flawless and vibrant creations that'll impress anyone who lays eyes on them. Another notable feature of this machine is that it's compatible with a wide range of mug sizes, including standard 11-ounce and 15-ounce mugs. With its adjustable pressure settings, it can accommodate various mug shapes, allowing you to personalize different styles of mugs with ease. This versatility opens up a world of possibilities for your mug customization projects, allowing you to explore and create unique designs to suit any occasion or preference. Just a heads up, the Cricut Mug Press, along with the necessary Cricut products and accessories, can be quite an investment. It's important to keep this in mind, especially if you have a limited budget or cost constraints to consider. Take the time to evaluate your budget and compare the features, quality, and warranty of different mug press machines before making your final decision. It's all about finding the best fit for you. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too. Those looking for a heat press machine that has a sleek and compact design, even heat distribution and compatibility with various mug sizes. And there you have it, folks, our best mug presses, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mug press roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.